Hello guys and welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video I'm going to be introducing a platform, and this platform is the fastest way for you to convert your Bitcoin directly into Naira. And then the best part about using the Monica NG application, that's the platform I'm introducing in this video, is that you can also make money using this platform, and I'm going to be showing you guys how in this video. So stick around to the end of the video to find out. Now, before we go on with the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now. And make sure to tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know if a new video is uploaded on this channel. Now, I'm going to be going to the website of the platform. It's called monica.ng. And then you can see the platform right here. Very simple design, very good design. And like it's advertised right here, it's the fastest way for you to convert your Bitcoin directly to Naira. And you cannot do your transactions on the website right here. So you're going to have to either download on the Google Play Store if you use an Android device, or on the Apple App Store if you use an iOS device. So now I'm going to be transitioning to my Android device, and then we're going to pick up the video from there. So guys, I am now on my Android device, and I'm going to be doing a quick walk around of the application, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can make money using the Monica NG application. So now what you want to do is you're going to go to the Google Play Store, and then once you are on your Google Play Store, you search for the application. It's called Monica NG. Monica NG. Now, once that's searched up, you can see right there, monica.ng the Bitcoin plug. So you're just gonna install the application. And looking at the reviews right here, you can see the application has a 4.3 star review, which is very good for an Android application. And then you can see, meaning it has generally positive reviews. When you check right down here, you can see lots of people's reviews, and you can see they are very good reviews about the application. So now we're just gonna wait for that to complete downloading, and then we're gonna move on with the video. So now the application has been installed on my device, and then I'm going to be opening the application. So you can see the load up screen right here, and then you're just gonna allow the application to give you notifications. So now you can see welcome to Monica NG. You can convert your Bitcoin to cash without the need to chat or call anyone. And then you can see it's very simple and easy for you to use the application, and then you're gonna get notified about your transactions, changes in Bitcoin rate, and other important information. And that's why you were asked to allow notifications when you opened up the application. Now I'm just gonna tap on get started, and when you want to create an account, you come down here where it says create an account. So once you tap on that, you're just going to provide these 4 simple values. So basically you are going to input your email, your full name, put in a referral code, and then your preferred password. So for the email, I'm going to be using my TechSurgeonYT email, techsurgeonyt@gmail.com. Then full name is going to be TechSurgeon. Then for your referral code, you're going to use a referral code MONI 524 553. So you can see the referral code right there, MONI 524 553. Then you're gonna put your preferred password, and then you tap on create account. Then a code will be sent to your mail. So once you tap on that code, you can come back and then input the code, and then you can now log into your account. So I'm going to be going directly to the login screen, and I'm going to be logging directly into my Monica NG account. So guys, we are now logged into the dashboard, and the first thing you are going to notice is that the dashboard looks very clean and very easy to use. It's not one of those applications that have a lot of clutter on the dashboard. The UI is very simple, and it's very easy to use. So right here you can see your name right here. It's kind of like a welcome to your dashboard every single time you log in. Then you can see your available balance right here. You can see a refresh for whenever you receive Bitcoin, and then it's going to be converted to Naira. You're just going to tap on the refresh so that your balance is going to be updated. Now, before I get on with how to use the application, I want to show you guys this very simple function. Now you can see at the top right corner of the screen this chat icon right here. So basically, if you have any issues with your transactions, you can easily chat the team up, and they're gonna attend to your complaint very quickly. So all you have to do is tap on the chat icon, and it's going to redirect you directly to WhatsApp. So you can see now, this is the WhatsApp chat screen right here. So once you tap on it, you can see this is Monica NG support. So if you have any issues with your transactions, just tap on that and come directly here. Tell them about the complaint and they're going to be fixing your complaint. So now for you to use the application, you tap on the view wallet icon. This is a little instruction manual on how to use the direct deposit option and how you can convert your Bitcoin directly to cash in your bank account. So in the next screen, we're going to be scrolling. You'll find your Bitcoin wallet address. Then now, once you find your Bitcoin wallet address, any Bitcoin sent to that wallet will automatically be converted to Naira in Monica NG dashboard. So basically, it's not like applications where you have to manually convert your Bitcoin into Naira. Monica NG is going to convert this automatically for you. So whenever Bitcoin is sent into the Bitcoin wallet address provided here, is going to be converted directly to Naira. So once you tap on view wallet, you can see this is my Bitcoin address right here, and then you can see their rate is at 751 Naira per dollar, which is one of the highest rates I've ever seen on a conversion platform like this. So basically, you're just gonna tap on this icon right here, and then you can see I have copied my Bitcoin wallet address. Then depending on what platform you use, whether it's Binance, Bundle, OKX, any other platform you use for your transactions, you can just copy this right here, go to that platform and send Bitcoin from that platform here to your Monica NG account. Now, once that's done, your available balance is going to refresh here, and then depending on how much you sent right here, it's going to reflect at the rate of 751 Naira per dollar. So now, for you to withdraw your funds out of the Monica NG platform, you're going to tap on the withdraw icon right here. And then it's very simple steps. You're going to select the bank you use. So let's assume I use the United Bank for Africa. And then you put in your account number. Then instantly your account name is going to be shown on the screen for you to confirm this transaction. Then you are going to input the amount you want to use on this transaction. Then you can also add this account to beneficiary. Adding the account to beneficiary means whenever you want to run any other transactions, you don't have to input all these details again. They are going to be saved directly on the dashboard for you. So you just tap on the amount and then you tap on continue for you to complete your transaction, and you're going to receive your Naira directly into your wallet. So now let's get on with how you can make money with the Monica NG application. Now for you to make money on the Monica NG application, you can see this gift icon right here. There are two ways you can make money using the application, so I'm going with the first one. So once you tap on the gift icon, you're going to come directly to this tab that says invite your friend. So basically, once you invite a friend to Monica NG and run a transaction on the application, you are going to get an 100 Naira bonus instantly into your wallet. So right here is going to be your unique code. So you can just copy that using this icon, and then when your friends want to sign up on the Monica NG application, you just tell them to use your unique code, and when they do transactions on the application, you're going to be getting 100 Naira on every transaction. This means if you refer just 10 people to the Monica NG platform and you do 10 transactions each, you're going to be getting the huge sum of 10,000 Naira just by your friends doing transactions. So now the second way for you to make money using the Monica NG application, you are just going to tap on the last option right here. Now once you tap on that, you're going to see the leaderboard icon. So once you tap on the leaderboard option, you can see this is the Monica NG Battle Royale. So basically what the Monica NG Battle Royale is all about is whenever you trade over $100 on the Monica NG platform, you are going to earn 100 points on the leaderboard. So once you are top 3 on the leaderboard, you are going to be eligible for a cash prize every single week. So once you scroll down to the end and then you tap on view ranking, you can see right here, you can see the person ranking first, meaning this person has done trades over $100 on the platform, and with every $100 transaction on the platform or over $100 transaction on the platform, you are going to get 100 points. So this person having 1,000 points means this person has done transactions over $1,000 on the platform. The second on the leaderboard has done over $300 on the platform, and this person has done over $200 of transactions on the platform. So basically, Monica NG rewards you for using the platform and doing transactions on the platform, and every single week you're going to be eligible for cash prizes once your name appears here because you have done transactions on the the platform. So that's it, guys. That's how you can use the Monica NG applications to convert your Bitcoin to Naira at the best rates possible. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know when a new video is uploaded on this channel. Now, if you have any issues with this video, you can comment directly in the comment section below. I'm also going to be linking my Telegram link in the description and on the pinned comment of this video, so you can just tap on that and ask me your questions, and I'm going to be attending to you guys as quickly as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.